Today we are in Thailand and I'm visiting a new market right here. It's called Green Vintage right here in Thailand, Bangkok. And finally, this is the closest I've come to this elephant-like looking building. It's amazing. I love the architecture here. It's just next to Ratchayothin Hills. I don't know if that's a hotel or an office building. This is what the market is like right now. It's about 6 p.m. in the evening. I think it's so new. Not many people here. Or possibly I've come on the wrong day. Or people come a little late. But anyways, let's check it out. There are just a few people at this market right now. I don't know if people are on their day off or it's just too early. But if you're in the area, you could come check it out. I can hear one of the most famous scholars right here, the dancing scholar. Guys, the market is almost empty right here. Not fully, a few shops are open. But the ones that are open definitely have something nice to walk on. Interesting. If you've been to this market before, probably tell me something I could try out. Wow. So if you're just joining the video, I'm at the Green Vintage right here at Ratchayothin. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this is what the atmosphere is like. I've been told the market is still new and it's got a feel of like Jodd Fairs or train night markets. This particular one is called Green Vintage. You could buy a few vintage stuff over here and probably also try out some Asian food. From Thai, Korean, Japanese. You could actually order for the foods here on either line, copy food or grab food. Oh wow. So right now I'm just walking around to give you a clear picture of what it's like over here. So the next time you're here, you have a clear image of what to expect. So after buying your stuff, you could just come here and have a seat. I think I would love to sit over there. Wow, pretty interesting. I like the atmosphere here. Look at all these amazing old age trees. So at the top over here, but actually, let me grab a seat. Oh wow. So Green Vintage is surrounded by all these tall buildings. The elephant looking like building, and over there we have Ratchayothin hills, and then we have big mall over there, another tall building there. This is it, and there's plenty of parking. If you're driving a car or riding a motorcycle, there's enough parking for you. I like the atmosphere here. Tell me, what do you think of Bangkok in general, or the night markets that they have? Especially this one in particular, vintage, green vintage, Ratchayothin. Actually, it is not far from the train night market, Jodd Fairs, which was previously done married. So if you come here and you find that the atmosphere isn't what you expect, you could just walk, I think, 1 kilometer or 600 meters to the next train market. I think this could be a nice place to come and catch the sunset. So probably this is where they have their live band music performances. We have seafood, we have imagining if all the shops are fully open, this place must be a whole new vibe. And for your Thai favorite, banana roti, there's a spot for you at this spot here. So I think most of the shops are not yet open. Probably they will soon. Adika, during this virtual tour and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now. It will motivate me to bring you along on my tours. So if you're enjoying this virtual tour, subscribe right now to the channel. Anyways, I've been walking around checking the different foods or shops I could try out. Now it's time to sit down and decide. For the ladies, you could actually do your nails over here, buy your clothes over there, and yeah. And the train station is just across. So right there is another market, green vintage, and opposite it, right across the road, is, I hope you're enjoying this virtual tour of Bangkok. Plenty of night markets over here. Oh, this one is actually more lively and more shops are open over here, so I don't know what happened to the other one. Probably it doesn't get picked up, but you will definitely find most of your usual foods from the night market over here. Most of the markets usually have a space for music performances. Here at Ratchayothin, I've been finding it hard to pronounce this name. Ratchayothin Square. Check out the demo spot. That building over there is just amazing. It looks amazing. Look at that. There's actually lots of places to hang out over here. They have these karaoke booths. If you wanna do some karaoke with your friends, these are, you can imagine them as a KTV, and it's called Soundcheck. So if you're in Ratchayothin, you can come check out the Soundcheck for your KTV experience with your friends. And the prices are over there from 160 baht. This is called Soul's Call, and this is a barbecue spot. Looking for a place to hang out with your friends. You could use this place as an appointment base for you to relax. So movie section is over here. So guys, Ratchayothin Square is really a hip area. I think it's a cool place to come and hang out. Buy your popcorn over here before you watch the movie, or you could buy it upstairs. Very touching movie. And right now, let's go check out Jodd Fairs. Look at that building. So finally here at Jodd Fairs. Not so many people. Probably it's not as busy as it used to be, but it's still a cool place to come at. And they've got your castle over there, clothes. Vintage cars over there. It's a cool market to come check out if you're in the area. You can come check it out. What's that? How do we have here? I think I'm going to be heading home. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel.